CSU Libraries offers services to graduate students well beyond books. Our research librarians are here to help you at any stage of research. We offer in-person and online access to unique collections of primary sources, a repository of theses and dissertations known as Mountain Scholar, and research grants that support the use of our collections.
From automating workflows with R and Python to managing citations and systematic review skills, our workshops help you go beyond spreadsheets to take on complicated tasks with confidence.
At the Geospatial Centroid, we help students learn about mapping technologies and location-based data. We provide direct research support, web mapping and application development, and hands-on training in GIS tools, including ArcGIS and QGIS.
We help make your research more visible, accessible, and reproducible, so others can build on the research that you produce.
Need help finding peer-reviewed articles or structuring an effective search? We'll guide you through our collections, databases, and advanced research tools.
Our experts can help you understand author rights, navigate publisher agreements, and explore open access publishing.
We can also help you book an assistive technology or study room, find affordable learning materials, and use specialized software.
We are here for all graduate student disciplines. CSU Libraries strives to connect you with expert help, resources, and inspiring spaces so you can learn, discover, and make a lasting impact.